Okay, guys, what if you you and your coworker are working on a particular project, and then you have successfully created your new branch, but then your coworker, without telling you, without your knowledge, um modified the master branch when you haven't merged your changes into the master branch? What is going to happen? That is what we want to look at now. So we're going to go ahead and create our new branch. Go ahead and switch, then create. We'll name this branch name merge error. Okay, let's name it another. What we are basically doing here, this command right here is going to create a branch called another, and then it's going to switch it, so we don't have to type our git switch after we're done creating our branch. So we hit enter, then we hit our command git branch. Then as you can see, we created our branch and we are currently in this branch called another. So what I was basically saying is, now we are in another branch. Let's go ahead, let's head into our file explorer, to our git series. We want to make a change to our home.js file. Open it up with our notepad. So I want to make this change. I want to remove this. I don't want all this. I just want the hamburger option. Then I don't want it to open, I want it to close. Then I want it to fade in. Not toggle. Then go ahead and hit save. Now I've made, remember, look at the branch we're currently in. We're in another branch. We created a branch called another. So we're in another branch. So sorry. We created a branch called another. So inside this another branch, we modified our home.js file. So we're going to go ahead and commit our change. Head into our git branch, then we commit our change using the git commit command. Message. Changed home.js, then hit enter. I've successfully committed our change into another branch. Now, remember what I told you. You just finished working on a file on your copy branch. All that's left is for you to merge it back into the master branch. But there's no way you know that anybody, how do I put this? Okay, your coworker already modified this master branch, thinking you have already merged this another branch into the master branch, while you have not. So we're going to act as the coworker now, and we'll modify this our master branch. So we're going to switch We're switching to our master. Then right now we are the co-worker. So inside this master branch, we're going to modify, we're going to make some changes. Inside our master branch, we'll make some changes to this our file. We'll open with our notepad. I want to make some changes. Let's add something. New line. I'll remove this. I've successfully modified this our home.js file inside our master branch now. Remember, we are the co-worker, so go ahead and hit save. Go ahead and hit save. Then you go ahead and commit your change to your master branch. Remember, we are the co-worker. Sorry, and we type our message make change to master branch. Then we go ahead and hit enter. Now we as a co-worker, we just made a change to the master branch. Now you unknowingly, you don't know that somebody has already modified the master branch. You changed into the master branch. Remember, we have two branches. Remember, we have two branches, master and another. This another is the branch you created while your co-worker, while you were working on another, your co-worker modified this master branch. So now we want to merge this our another branch into our master branch. So we'll go ahead and git merge. Let's see what it will tell us. Git merge. I'm merging another into our master branch. So git merge another and hit enter. As you can see, it said auto merging home.js conflict, merge conflict in home.js. So this is what you call a merge conflict. I'm sure you have been following our story, our characters from the beginning of the session. This is what you call a merge conflict. That is, your coworker modified the branch before you were able to merge the copy branch, the branch you copied, back into the original branch. So as you can see, it says here master pipe merging. So now, how do we resolve a merge conflict? To resolve a merge conflict, it's very easy. Just go ahead, we'll head over to our file explorer, then we open up our home.js file. Then as you can see, right here, we have our main branch. This is our main branch. That is the head. Remember, we cleared the hamburger in front of our add event listener. This is our head file. Then this is our another. This right here is our another branch. Remember, we made a whole lot of changes. Our close, we changed our open to close. I'm sure this will be very, very confusing. We changed our open to close. Then we changed our fade to fade in. This is our another branch. Now, these two branches, they are conflicting each other because they are not the same thing. If they were actually the same, if they were actually left, if our our master branch was actually left to be on its own without modification, then this our updates, this our another branch would have modified our master branch. That is, the content here would have been the content here. But since this was already modified, the content here and the content here are now conflicting. So how do we go about this? Just go ahead and delete the head, that is the master branch, because we only want to keep our another. So you go ahead and delete the head. We only want to keep our another branch. We only want to keep the changes we made. That is, this is the change we made in our another branch, and we only want to keep this. So once you're done, you go ahead and hit save. You head back to your git bash. Now inside your git bash, you go ahead and hit the commit again. Git commit, make change to master branch, and you hit commit. And as you can see, we have successfully committed. We have successfully resolved this merge conflict. So that is how you can resolve a merge conflict. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.